Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonderland. It's time to explore the world with us within few minutes. Thank you for watching our video. The Boeing 747 is a large, long-range wide-body airliner designed and manufactured by Boeing Commercial Airplanes in the United States. The first commercial service of Boeing 747 flew between New York and London January 22, 1970. And the first transatlantic flight took 16 hours. The same journey today takes 5 hours. Stay tuned with us for more and exciting facts in our universe. Like, share and subscribe.